Have you ever looked at a finished wall and wondered what's actually inside it? Most people see paint, some see drywall, but construction professionals see an entire system hidden behind that surface. In today's video, I'm going to explain every major components used in drywall construction. By the end of this video, you will understand how drywall walls are built and why each component is important. Let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. In previous video we learned what drywall construction is. Today we are going one step deeper and exploring the material that makes drywall system possible. Whether you are student, engineer, estimator, contractor or someone interested in construction, this knowledge will help you understand drywall drawings, specification and site execution. Let's start with the foundation of every drywall wall. This is called a track. Tracks are U-shaped metal channels installed at the floor and ceiling. Think of them as rails for the drywall. Their job is to hold the vertical studs in position. Without tracks, the wall frame cannot stand properly. In most projects, you will see floor tracks and ceiling tracks installed first before any studs are placed. Next, we have metal studs. These are the vertical members of the wall. You can think of them as the skeleton of drywall construction. Studs are usually installed at 16-inch or 24-inch on center depending on project requirements. They provide strength and support for the gypsum boards. Different stud sizes are used depending on wall height and performance requirements. The taller the wall, the stronger the studs usually needs to be. Just as bones support our body, studs support the drywall system. Now we come to the most visible component, gypsum board. This is the surface everyone sees after construction is complete. A gypsum board consists of a gypsum core sandwiched between layer of paper. There are several types of drywall boards. Standard board is used in normal dry areas. Type X board is used where the fire resistance is required. Moisture resistance board is used in bathrooms and humid areas. Impact resistance board are used in schools, hospitals, and high traffic locations. Selecting the correct board type is critical because it directly affects fire, sound, and moisture performance. Now, let's look inside the wall cavity. This space is often filled with insulation. Many people think insulation is only for temperature control. But in drywall construction, insulation is also important for sound control. Without insulation, sound travels more easily through the wall. Adding insulation significantly improves acoustic performance. These small components may look simple, but they are extremely important. Drywall screws secure gypsum boards to the framing. Improper screw installation can lead to cracks, loose boards, and finishing problems. One common mistake is overdriving screws. When the paper face is damaged, the board loses holding strength. When two drywall sheets meet, a joint is created. If we simply apply compound over that joint, cracks will eventually appear. That's why joint tape is used. Tape reinforces the joint and help distribute movement across the surface. There are two common types, paper tape and fiberglass mesh tape. Joint compound, often called mud, is used to hide joints, screws, and imperfections. This is what transforms drywall from individual sheets into one smooth continuous wall. The process usually involves multiple coats. Each coat becomes wider and smoother than the previous one. After sanding and painting, the joints become nearly invisible. Outside corners are vulnerable to impact and damage. To protect them, corner beads are installed. Corner beads create straight, durable corners and improve appearance. Without corner beads, drywall corners would chip and crack easily. Now, let's put everything together. Starting from the floor track, then metal studs, then insulation, then gypsum boards, then screws, then tape, then joint compound, then paint. Each component has a specific purpose. Remove one component and the performance of the entire system is affected. Today we learned the major components of drywall system: tracks, studs, gypsum boards, insulation, screws, tape, joint compound, and corner beads. Understanding these materials is the first step towards becoming a drywall professional. In the next video, we will explore different types of gypsum boards and learn where each one is used. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone interested in construction. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.